NotebookLM plus Antigravity is insane. Here is everything you need to know. Google just dropped something that nobody is talking about yet. It turns your notes, your PDFs, your research into a fully working app. No coding, no hiring a developer, no waiting. And the best part, it takes less than 10 minutes. This is the most powerful no-code combo I have ever seen. And today I am going to show you exactly how it works. So first, what even is this combo? You've got two tools, NotebookLM and Antigravity. NotebookLM is Google's AI research tool. Think of it as your brain. You feed it your notes, your PDFs, your data, and it turns all of that into a smart knowledge base powered by Gemini AI. You can ask it questions, pull out tables, get outlines. It knows your content inside and out. Then you have got Antigravity. That is the hands. It is a no-code ID, meaning you can build apps, websites, generate images, make videos, create podcasts, all just by typing what you want in plain English. No code required, none. Put those two things together and something wild happens. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. You're now building real working products from your own research data, right? Using nothing but natural language prompts. That is not normal. That is next level. Let me show you what I mean with a real example. Say I am building a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. That is our AI automation community where we help business owners save hundreds of hours, get more customers, and scale faster using AI tools. Before this combo existed, I would have to write a brief, pass it to a developer, wait a few days, get a draft back, go back and forth 5 times. With NotebookLM plus Antigravity, here's what I do instead. I upload my research and notes into NotebookLM, everything about the AI Profit Boardroom, the benefits, the community, the use cases, the results, the reasons someone should join. I throw all of that in there. NotebookLM digests it. It becomes a smart knowledge base. It knows everything about my offer. If you want to learn how to use AI automation tools like NotebookLM and Antigravity to grow your business, get more customers, and save massive amounts of time, the AI Profit Boardroom is where that happens. The link is in the comment and description. Then I jump into Antigravity and I type something like this. Use my NotebookLM data to design a high-converting landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. It should explain all the benefits of AI automation for business owners, show why the community is the best place to scale, and make it easy for new members to sign up. And Antigravity builds it using my data accurately in context, not some generic template it pulled from nowhere. An actual page based on what I told it. That is context-aware creation, and it changes everything about how you build stuff online. Now, here is where the open loop kicks in, because most people stop there. They think, okay, cool, I made a landing page. But what you can actually do with this combo goes way, way deeper than a landing page. I will get to that in a second. But first, let me explain why this is different from just using ChatGPT or Claude to write your website copy. When you use a standard AI chatbot, it knows nothing about your business. You have to explain everything from scratch every single time. And even then, it guesses, it makes stuff up, it hallucinates details. You have to fact check everything. NotebookLM changes that because your data is the source. The AI is not guessing. It is pulling directly from what you actually uploaded, tables, outlines, structured data, real information. So when Antigravity builds something from that data, it is accurate. It reflects your actual offer, your actual business, not some AI fantasy version of it. That is a huge deal, especially if you are running a business where trust and accuracy matter. All right. So now let me show you the other things you can build with this combo, because this is where it gets crazy. Imagine you are running the AI Profit Boardroom. You want to onboard new members. Usually you would need to create a whole welcome video, a written guide, maybe a podcast episode explaining how the community works. With NotebookLM plus Antigravity, you upload your onboarding notes and community guidelines into NotebookLM. Then in Antigravity, you say, create a welcome podcast episode for new AI Profit Boardroom members, cover the top 5 things they should do first, how to get the most out of the community, and why AI automation is the biggest opportunity for business owners right now. It generates a podcast from your data, ready to publish. Or let's say you want to create a lead magnet, a free PDF guide that attracts new members to the AI Profit Boardroom. You feed your research into NotebookLM, then you tell Antigravity, Create a downloadable PDF guide called the AI Automation Playbook for business owners. Use my research data, include an introduction, 5 key AI tools every business owner needs, and a call to action to join the AI Profit Boardroom. Done. Professional, on brand, built from your actual content. You see the pattern here. You are not starting from scratch every time. You are building a content engine. Your research goes in once, and everything comes out on the other side. Now let me talk about something most people miss. The structured data piece. This is one of the most powerful things NotebookLM does. When it processes your content, it does not just read it, it organizes it. Tables, outlines, key points, structured so that Antigravity can actually use it properly. This matters because most AI tools fall apart when you give them messy information. They get confused, they produce inconsistent results, but when NotebookLM structures your data first, Antigravity knows exactly what to do with it. The output is cleaner, more accurate, more professional. It is like the difference between handing a builder a messy pile of bricks versus giving them a full architectural plan, materials list, and timeline. Same raw material, very different result. Now here is the other open loop I want to close out. What does this actually mean for your business? Because let me be real with you, AI tools are everywhere right now. Everyone is talking about this tool, that tool, but the ones that actually move the needle are the ones that save you real time and help you create real things. NotebookLM plus Antigravity does both. Think about what it costs to hire a developer, a copywriter, a video editor, a podcast producer, just for one project, for one landing page, one guide, one piece of content. Now think about being able to do all of that yourself in an afternoon, using your own research. That is what this combo unlocks. And for anyone running an online business, a community, an agency, the impact of that is massive. Okay, let me give you the quick breakdown so you can get started today. Step 1, go to NotebookLM, upload your content. This could be PDFs, notes, research documents, SOPs, anything that is relevant to what you want to build. Let NotebookLM process it into a knowledge base. Step 2, go to Antigravity, connect or reference your NotebookLM data. Step 3, tell Antigravity in plain English what you want to create. A landing page, a podcast, a guide, a video script, an app. Be specific about your goal, your audience, and what you want it to do. Step 4, review the output. Because even with structured data, you always want to check the final result before publishing anything. Step 5, iterate. The more specific your prompts, the better the output gets. Treat it like a conversation, not a one-shot command. That is it. 5 steps, no code, no developer. And honestly, this is just the beginning of what is possible with this combo. Google is going to keep building on this. Antigravity is going to keep expanding. The workflows that seem advanced today are going to feel basic in 6 months. So get in early, learn the tools now, build the habit now. Because the people who figure this out first are the ones who are going to have a massive advantage over everyone who waits. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like NotebookLM and Antigravity. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description.